Hello everybody, it's Sweet Crypto here, and today I'm going to be sharing you guys a project that I think could be very successful. This is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor at any time. I'm just here showing my research that I did on this project. Now, I really like this project a lot. I'm going to go into it later on in the video, show you the minting price, show you all the cool stuff that the project has. This is a project I will be personally investing in as the sale date is very soon, very soon. So hopefully you see this video before, and let's get into it. Now, to buy in a project, okay, because I'm spending money on this project, so I want to make sure my money is going to a project that I like a lot, that I think could be successful. So, this project really caught my eye. Now, I was looking at some projects, and I did see this project mentioned in another YouTube video, and I really like it personally. It's called Fat Catz. Now, why do I like this project? Well, I think the art is very unique. It's pixelated, and one thing to say is people love pets, okay? Dogs, cats, biggest pets there is, right? Or fish, you could throw in that, but cats up there, right? People love their pets. That has to tie in with something. You have to think of these ideas, that projects, what makes them successful. So, I do like the art a lot, okay? Now, people don't care about art, they care about art, but I think the art should at least be good. And I really do like this art. It's pixelated. They have a good roadmap, which I'm going to show. But let's look at their social medias. So 5,900 followers on their Twitter. That is a good amount. And let's look at their following. We can see that there's some notable people in here. Okay, there's some notable people. Skoa follows them, and many other people. Journey Crypto. You can see a lot of notable people follow. Punk, Kosher Plug, NFT Nate. You can see a lot of people follow this project. That's a very good thing to see. That is a very good thing to see. Why I say that? Well, you want to make sure there's other people following this that have a good set of mind, okay? That know what they're doing and that have been in the NFT space for a very long time and they know that they support this project. So that's very nice to see is there. So, also, let's talk about the public and pre-sale date. Now, the pre-sale date, we'll jump into here. This is the Discord. There is 10,557 members, which is a good amount. And the supply, 6,969. Nice. That's a good amount of supply. It's pretty rare. It is pretty rare. Normally 10,000 supply. We're getting down to almost under that 5,000 mark. So it's going to be pretty rare. Maybe a little hard to grab one. So be on the lookout for this. Pre-sale, it's the 14th today. It's in a couple days. So look out for that pre-sale. It's going to be at 1 USDC time. The whitelist, as we could see, 842 members on the whitelist. You can still get into the whitelist. I recommend if you want to go into this project, try to get into that whitelist. Now, I will be doing a comment giveaway, so I will be doing a random comment that will be getting a whitelist in this project. Hit up the founder, and he's going to give away a whitelist spot to one of y'all in the comments down below. So make sure to put a comment down below. Put something like Fat Catz Project to the moon or something like that. And I'll be doing a random comment giveaway to one of you all. So, if you're the only comment, you get it. If there's 2 comments, it's a 50-50. If there's 4 comments, you get what I'm saying. But that's pretty awesome that he did that. So, even if you don't win that giveaway, I would try to get into the whitelist. Do whatever you can to try to get in. Public sale, as you can see, they have a lot of members, so it may be pretty hard to get in the public sale. Either way, you should try to get into it if you want, of course. Not financial advice. Do this research on your own as well. So let's talk about some other things about it. In the community, I really do like the community. It's very welcoming. All projects are getting to be nice in the community, and they have a big following. They have a lot of people in here, 10,000 plus members, and the art is very nice. And we can look at the website right here. Again, 6,969 art pieces, and the pre-sale is 19th of December. Public sale is 20th of December, so keep that in mind. And let's look at the rarity, because rarity is very important. You got to see what you're minting. You got to see what's valuable, what you're minting, how you can make that dough. You know what I'm saying? So let's look at the rarity. So we have common, rare, super rare, ultra rare, and mystical. Now, I'm telling you guys, I am liking this artwork a bit. So common, 49.79%. That's not awful. That is actually not that bad, to be honest. I'm going to be straight up honest. That is not bad. 49%. Normally when I see commons on projects, they're only 75% to that 70% range. So 49% is actually way better than I expected. Rare, 26.69%. You're going to see that trend in the next two. So 26%, that is pretty rare for rare, as you can see what I'm saying. And then super rare is 16%. And then ultra, 6%, and mystical, 0.14%. So if you get your hand on an ultra and mystical, you're pretty much good in the profits. Either way, minting, we don't know what the floor is going to be. It may be below minting price, it may be way higher. We'll see where this project goes. But we're going to take a look at their roadmap as well. So this is their team right here. And we're going to go look at the roadmap, because roadmaps are very important for the project. You want to know what they're going to do in the future for you to be invested. So, land purchase. Sandbox land. Fat Catz will buy dedicated land in the sandbox to ensure a spot in the metaverse. So that's cool. They're going to go into the metaverse. We've been seeing this trend for lots of projects. Always important to see that they're making plans for the future. The metaverse, I really like that. And let's see what their second plan is. VX Genesis Serum. Genesis VX Mint Serums will be airdropped to holders over the course of 30 days after launch is successful. That is very interesting. That is very interesting. 3. Assets. So let's actually go back to this. So when or if you own a Fat Catz NFT, you will be airdropped VX Genesis Serum. So that's very interesting. 3. Assets. Fat Catz Project will create avatars and items to be integrated in the metaverse. Genesis and F1 serums can be burnt to mint our VX collections. Okay, so they will have some burnt features. We aim to have a solid presence in the metaverse, and we plan to have multiple integrations in the space over the course of the next few months. Okay, I like that. I like that. I like this photo right here as well. Okay, to be announced. Phase 4 is where the real funds begin, to be announced in Q1. Interesting. Okay, I do like this roadmap. Now let's take a little bit of the art here. I do like this art. If I wanted one, this one's looking to be my favorite right now. Or this, I like that chain and the gold one. But as I said, I just wanted to make a video on this. Again, comment down below. I'm gonna do a little raffle away for the whitelist spots. I will be doing that one day. I'll be picking the winner probably December 18th. I'll be picking the winner for the whitelist giveaway, which is pretty cool. Always want to be whitelisted in any project you get into. You have a very big opportunity. As I said, did I mention? I don't think I mentioned the mint prices yet. Maybe I did, but we're gonna mention it again. Okay, so pre-sale 0.043 ETH, public 0.069 ETH. Now I really do like these mint prices, okay, and the reason is because the cheaper mint prices you have, the more people can get into the project, which is very important for holders of the project, for the more people in the project, the bigger community. So I do like those mint prices a lot. You can mint maybe 2 if you want instead of 1. I really do like those mint prices. So there we go. Fat Catz, that's my review on it. I do like it. I wouldn't be in it if I didn't like the project. Whatever I want to put money in, I need to make sure it's a good project, and need to do a lot of research behind it. But do research on your own. Always make sure you back up the facts. And I'll see you guys in the next one. We'll be going over my 1,000 to 10,000 NFT flipping challenge. A lot of great things to come from that tomorrow. So, see you guys later. Peace out.